What up, y'all? I know y'all can't see me right now, and then bam, there I am. We are back, man. Well, I'm back on behalf of us because she at work, and hold on, I know this about to go. About to go and pick the little dude up, man, and then I'm about to go and see what we gonna have for dinner, man. I think I got a good idea, man. It's gonna be an experiment, but I'm me, man, so I think I'm gonna be able to pull it off. So hold on, hold what you got. Yo, so yeah, man, and I got it on, man. Y'all see what's going on? I got it on. I'm in uniform out here, man. Can't leave the house without your brand on, man. So yeah, about to go and scoop the little guy, the stinker, and then we'll bring him back to the house, man, because I ain't gonna have my haircut, man. It's cold out here. Like it's up to 28 now, but it's cold, and I ain't gonna have my hair like that. So what I'm about to do is shoot over here to get him. I think I'm gonna make me a TikTok video with him when he get in the car. Y'all be sure to check that out, man. Y'all be sure to check out the TikTok, man. B-Lo Nation, man. B-Lo Nation on the TikTok. Yeah, man. We've been TikToking lately, man. So there's gonna be some. Yeah. It's about to get heavy, man. It's about to get real heavy. Y'all don't even understand. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put the food and everything. I'm gonna do everything on TikTok. I'm gonna put it on the Instagram. Y'all know the Instagram, Life of Ash and B. And I'm gonna put it on the TikTok, man. I'm gonna put it on the TikTok. So yeah, man, let me scoot over here, man, through this traffic right quick. And I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to this store, man. When I get to this store to see what we about to eat. Matter of fact, I need to be looking at some recipes and all that, man, to see what all I need, cause yeah, I'm about to real deal do some things. I'm about to do some things. Okay, y'all. Man, y'all can't see the sign, man, but y'all see the grocery store, man. We are at the Whole Foods, man. We at the Whole Foods. Y'all know the last time I came from Whole Foods, man, we was eating lobster tails and all type of stuff, so gonna run up in this Whole Foods and see what we can come up with. And yeah, man, it should be a nice little pickup, man. I'm finna see this is what I had last time, because if this is what I had last time, I don't even want it anyway. But yeah, and I kind of didn't prepare it right, so I don't know, because I didn't know what it was. I had no idea what it was. I was told that it was something else and it wasn't. So yeah, let me go in here, pick the camera up in here, man. Let me go in here and see what we got, man. See what we can come up with. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so far we got wine vinegar, got some Pinot Grigio. I think she already got some of this at the house, but I'm gonna get some more because yeah, cause I don't know. So yeah, man, let's get over here and I guess figure out what the main course is gonna be at this point. I actually came in here for trout. Came in for trout, they didn't have it, so I'm stuck with the cod right now. So we're gonna do the cod, man. Figure out what kind of how I need to do that, and yeah, what size need to go with it or whatnot, and we gonna roll with it like that. Huh? Is that a pound? That's the pound? Okay, let's do the pound. Whole Foods. Alright, y'all. So I know y'all can barely see me, man, but so we leaving Whole Foods right now. Well, I'm leaving Whole Foods right now. So I got some cod. I got the fresh caught cod, and I got. Well, you know what? I'll show you what I got when I get to the house. But full chef below is in full effect right now. So I'm about to go to the house. I'm gonna fire up the grill, man, cause we gonna do this thing grill, man. We on the healthy side of things right now. So I'm finna do this thing grill. I don't know why my camera not focusing. I'm finna do this thing grill. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, man, I'm finna go to the house, man. So yeah, I hit y'all when I get back to the house.
Red wine. I've never had red wine vinegar. What?
You ain't gonna even taste it. So look, y'all, I'm back at the crib. I got the fish. These are the ingredients that I have. Fish,
Yes. Zucchini.
zucchini, fresh Parmesan cheese, red wine vinegar, green onions, and asparagus. Oh, and a zucchini. Man, we about to go down, man. It's about to go down in the PM. Not the DM, but the PM, because it is 8:12 PM. She got on a huge bunny. But yeah. So yeah, man, we about to pull these.
Ashley said you trying to kill somebody.
I don't trust this food.
Watch. I bet you he eat it. He gonna be like, ooh, baby, hey yo,
Hi.
how you say it? Hey yo, B, can I have some more? Can I have some more, B? Yeah.
There's like a 50% chance you found this on TikTok.
I did not find this on TikTok.
You didn't?
I did not.
Okay.
I never look at recipes on TikTok. I don't take TikTok serious.
Then how
So-
Everybody should.
then
Yeah,
how
I don't take TikTok serious. So
then why did you buy this stuff?
I guess because you're going to something.
yeah, we always eating salmon. We always eating chicken. No, this is
I'm not
better.
eating salmon.
This is better.
I'm not
So-
eating salmon, y'all.
So yeah, I'm about to get in here and matter of fact, I gotta fire this grill up. So I gotta go put on my big boy suit because it's cold out here. It is 25 degrees. I'm grilling in 25 degree weather.
I'll try it. Don't waste your one chance.
Huh? Hey, I'm not wasting my chance because I'm gonna eat. So
You probably going to be the only one eating.
hey, if you don't eat, brother, that has nothing to do with me.
You probably going to be the only one eating.
No, I ain't gonna be the only one to eat. Everybody gonna eat. Watch. Just watch. But anyway, let me get back to y'all, man. Let me go ahead and prepare this grill. Get everything right, man. Baby, what you doing? Is you going back for another bite?
No, I'm moving it to the side.
Ah, you moving to the side?
The fish not bad. I don't know about this.
You ain't never had no zucchini, so you don't even know what you eating. Make sure you get all of it. You finna waste your whole plate.
I think I have had zucchini before. This ain't like it.
Nah, Bree. What you doing? Bree, what you doing? Bree, what we doing, Bree? Talk to me, Bree. Bree, talk to me. What we doing, Bree?
It's alright.
Give me my flowers, dog. Give me my flowers, dog.
It's alright, brother.
Man, Bree ate it, right? Man, she ate it. She said, She chewed it with the ugly face and started smiling instantly. That food was made with love, fool. Wrong with you? Man, she finna tear that up. You talking about she don't like it. That's why she put that plate down. She came right back over to it.
BB said,
I said the fish was good. I'll eat the fish.
is the fish ready?
Is the fish ready? You gonna eat the zucchini too? Cause you just gave me a whole smile on the zucchini. Like, man, Dad, I ain't know you were doing it like that though. You told me what you about to do, but I ain't know you about to do it like that though. Yeah, man. This is my first time. This is my first time ever preparing this. I ain't never cooked this. I ain't never did none of this. So we got fresh caught cod, man. Fresh caught straight out the glass, man. Fresh caught. Yeah, a zucchini mixture.
Fried duty.
Got a zucchini mixture, man.
Fries. That's
Yeah.
it.
So yeah, man. Now I'm finna eat. I thought about it, but then I was like, I was gonna make that if didn't nobody like the zucchini. Chef boy, I'll be low. In full effect, man. Go on eat it, dog. You might well go on eat it, dog. You might well go on eat it. Ain't no need you acting funny. Acting like you don't want to eat it because the camera on. Because you was just smacking a minute ago. I'm talking about full big smile. So don't trip. Yeah.
What you doing?
Don't trip. Smile number 2. Look at you trying to hide with it. Oh, okay.
You eating the fish.
Yeah, it don't matter. He eating the fish. Girl, please. Put that phone down anyway. I don't I'll tell you about that.
Whatever. I don't like this.
Okay, you don't like zucchini. You don't eat zucchini, so okay, I'm cool with that.
When you find out you just smiling because everybody else smiling.
No. So what you feel like? Huh? You don't feel like nothing?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
You don't like it? You don't like the fish?
I don't like the fish.
You don't like the fish? You don't like the zucchini?
You
Okay.
even eat the zucchini too?
Yeah, she ate a little piece. She did what he did because of what he did. If you had been different, if she came here and saying you should have done different. You know what I'm saying? I know her. So I ain't tripping on her. But is the fish ready? Come on, man. 3 out of 4. Hey, I'll take it in a day. I ain't even ate yet. I ain't taste test nothing. None of that. So I don't know what none of it tastes like. Y'all just help me out. So yeah, man. One more in the books. I just put them on, man. They ain't eating good. He ain't like the zucchini, which he don't eat. What vegetables do you eat?
Broccoli.
And is it broccoli and carrots? Like so he ain't used to zucchini.
Baby food.
He ain't used to zucchini, so it's okay. Bree smacked the zucchini. She don't eat zucchini either, but she smacked it. I feel like it would have been different if, you know what I'm saying, that was what they was used to eating. And Jordan ain't hungry no way, because she just ate the Sonic.
I
But she
feel
ain't
like
hungry.
Jordan, you would have got a. I feel like that reaction wasn't really real.
I know what.
Yeah,
Because,
Ashton.
right, she's saying what Ashton do, so then she was like, nah. Because at first she said she smelled salmon, so she was thinking it was salmon anyway. I know she eat it because it's the same thing as Captain D's is. It's cod.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing that Captain D's is, so I know she eat. I know she like because she eat Captain D's all the time. Yeah, so I ain't tripping on that. Like I said, 3 out of 4. My wife happy. The kids happy. I ain't tripping on that. Got 3 out of 4, baby. Jordan was like, ew, oh my god, this is terrible. This is terrible.
Jordan ain't even like none of us. Because Jordan have to start
Jordan, that wasn't even Jordan's real reaction
Look,
anyway.
Mama over there eating zucchini out of Ashton plate. He ain't want it.
You don't like it? You said what? You don't like nothing.
See what I'm saying? See? He likes broccoli and carrots.
You don't like
And celery.
You don't like broccoli?
He said he like broccoli.
like mashed potatoes.
This dude don't eat mashed potatoes, so I know I ain't worried about him eating zucchini. But yeah, man, we are out of here, man.
Get up. Hey.
My mission is complete. I came down.
Yeah, Jordan don't. Jordan ain't been like the jerky chicken and nothing.
She probably already ate. She probably wasn't even hungry. That's what she be doing it. But anyway, man, we out of here. We'll catch y'all in the next one, man.